Alright, YouTube. I have a 2004 Ford F350 Power Stroke. It has 134,500 miles on it. Again, it's 2004. Today's date is May 5th, 2017. I just got my vehicle back on Wednesday, this last Wednesday, from the Ford dealership in Northland, telling me that all the injectors are fine, the EGR cooler is fine, the EGR valve is fine, everything checks out, everything's hunky-dory. Obviously things weren't. That's why I took it down to them to ask them to fix my problem. But they say it's good. I say it's not. Basically what's going on is, as I start going uphill, I get like a misfire, a puff of black smoke. It almost makes like the turbo fart sound, but these guys say it's fine. So here's the noise. It's gonna get loudy. It's gonna get loud. I'm gonna put the window down so you can see the mirror really good as it does this. I don't know if you can see the smoke. Puff, 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 puff. It's almost like one cylinder is missing. See if I can get back on the trailer a little bit more so you can see it. It'll show it back there better. There it is. There it is. It's almost like every third revolution or something of a certain cylinder, but they say that everything's perfect. They say everything is great. Windows back up. I'll turn the AC off so you guys can hear. RPMs stay steady. It's almost like the turbo's farting every time it does that. I'm thinking that maybe the fuel pump's going bad on it. I'm thinking maybe because the fuel filters are clogged that are in the fuel pump. I've already replaced the fuel filters, the two in line, one on the motor and one down below my foot on the rail. So not sure exactly what it is, but hopefully someone out there on YouTube can tell me what the problem is. Maybe they know. Let me know. Thanks, guys.